A lot of people were asking me about the stock market, the Dow Jones, the E-mini S&P. Did you know ahead of time? They said, could this have been projected ahead of time? And if you'd been reading the newsletter, the Traders Market Views Swing Trading Report, you know that for several days, 2 or 3 weeks ahead of time, I was projecting this date right here, I should say April 27th. It was written April 27th as a projected reversal date and possibly a major top in the market because it completed a long-term cycle. That cycle goes all the way back to this point here. This is the major reaction swing that I was using. It's the balancing point right here where the action part turns into the reaction. That kicks in buy signals right here, and it projected this date as a major high and a major reversal date, and it projected this price target, this price line, the reaction line, as the target objective. Now actually I had 11,287, this right here, as a projected target. I missed that by about 80 points, one of my projections. As you can see, once we identified this swing pattern as the center, the balancing point, I just projected back to this point. That's 56. You start here, you count forward, you do a time price projection, 56, it comes out that day. And then you have, look at this, a new reaction swing, a TR pattern forming here, kicks in a sell right there. It would have caught this major move down. Switch over to the E-mini S&Ps. This is the daily chart of the E-mini S&P. You'll see the same thing, almost identical patterns. Here's your balancing point. Actually, this is a little 5-wave pattern down. As you know, I call that a 5-wave continuation pattern. It usually follows in the center of a longer term trend. This is a great example. Here is your balancing point where the action ends and reaction begins. If you do a reverse count back to this major low here, that's 56. You start at this low, you do your projection forward, comes right here. This is the 56th day. And then I'm going to just show you here when I do my action line right here, I do my action line, I take it forward and I put it right where the reversal date intersects with the upper parallel line. You can see that the market, it gives you a pretty precise price objective. It didn't quite hit it here, but it did hit it right at this time period when it formed a new reaction swing, triggered a sell right here. That was your major sell. Also another indicator that it was a sell, you have a TR pattern forming right here. This market was up actually into the 60% sell window. So that would have really triggered your sell right here, right at this time period, caught the major move down. So there it is, several examples of how the action reaction reversal date trading approach survived, not only survived, but thrived during the first week of May when we had huge price swings, very volatile markets. So we've gone through all this and we've shown you how it works. If you want to learn how to do this on your own, or if you want help doing this, please contact us. You can go to our website, tradersnetwork.com. We have lots of tools on there. We have the book on there, Unlocking Wealth, The Secret to Market Timing, with all the information on how to make these types of time and price projections. They're in detail in the book, using lots of examples of stocks, currencies, and futures, because it works in any market in any time frame. Also, call us up or go to the website and subscribe for a 30-day free trial to the newsletters. Traders Market Views, Swing Trading Report comes out to you each evening by email. Also on our website, you'll see I have daily blogs where I kind of update you on current information and current markets, what they're doing, what we think they're going to do in the future. Or give us a call. My number is right here. It's 800-521-0705. Or send me an email at john@tradersnetwork.com. So hopefully this has been some good information and you've learned something from it. So I'd love to hear from you. So thank you and good trading.